especially to today's weekly analysis. Okay, so today I want to show you quickly what I am seeing in the market. Okay, so now this is DXY, the dollar index, and having looked at what it has done in previous times, you'll see that it has been constantly bullish. But I find this strong liquidity holding this price at this point, of which I'll be expecting it to either give me a downside movement up to this side, of which once that is confirmed, I will find my bullish move with EU and GU. But if for any reasons it mitigates and continues this bullish move, then I will find my bearish move. So but we're looking out for the bearish on DXY. And so going into my GU, I'm going to find my buy, of which once I get my confirmation at this point, I'm going to buy GU up to this point. So I may go short buy at the opening of the market. But if, like I said, it goes bullish continuously, then I'll find and wait for GU to take out this liquidity and give me the bearish confirmation to continue. And so also for EU, I may not buy EU immediately, but there was a liquidity here that was taken out before all of this. So but if EU gives me a confirmation to go in bullish here, once DXY is bearish, I will go, but that's if I get the full confirmation to avoid any form of inducement, because the liquidity here is on the downside. But if for any reason DXY goes bullish, then I will go bearish on EU just to this liquidity side. So eyes are on the charts, waiting for my setups to play out before I find my entries. Alright, so for gold is currently consolidating on this point, so I wait for either this or these liquidities to be taken out before I begin to find my entries on gold. Otherwise I will not buy, neither will I sell, okay, because the move is just within this range and the move is very short. Okay, and I think that's exactly what Bitcoin did. But before I go into crypto, I would love to finish with you on the forex. The UJ, the trend line has been drawn. Of course, our entry is on the 2-hour time frame. We draw the trend line on the 4-hour time frame. We get the entry on the 2-hour time frame. So I'll be waiting for UJ to give me a confirmation on this liquidity trend line, and GJ as well. I'm going to be waiting for a confirmation on this trend line. Then which other one? UJ, you can see my trend line. Okay, wait for liquidity and wait for confirmation. And UG, I'm going to wait for my confirmation, but UG looks like we can go bullish at least up to this point. Okay, but I'm going to decide once the market opens. For AU, I can't find any wicks yet. Okay, so the wicks I'll be expecting should be the wicks on the upside. So no entry on AU, and then let's go straight into CFDs and commodities. So we have US 30. So this is where price is. We're going to wait for the retracement if I find my entry. So we have US 100 playing almost the same thing that US 30 is playing, and Nasdaq playing almost the same thing that the three are playing. So trend line has been drawn, waiting for confirmation for the bearish move. Then we have finally the US oil. So the US oil is looking like we're going to go bullish from here, or maybe up to this point. So that is basically what I'm seeing with the forex and the CFDs and commodities. Okay, I haven't shown you crypto. Let's go straight to crypto. So first of all, we have Bitcoin, and for Bitcoin, what I'm seeing is that Bitcoin was consolidating in a range. Liquidities I spotted, and price stayed within that range since Friday up until today, but now it's taking out that liquidity. So I'll be waiting for BTC to go bullish, or if it takes out this bullish liquidity, I'll expect it to go bearish. So until then, I'm waiting out for either an upward breakout or a downward breakout. Once I get information, I'll let you know. For Ethereum, I have not reanalyzed Ethereum because the previous entry has not yet completed its moves. I find a void at this point. 1 minute, please. Let me see the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, so I find a void which I expect Ethereum to fill up. Until then, I will not be taking any entry on Ethereum. So these are the few fundamentals. Monday, low impact, GPY, holidays, and Tuesday we have a call CPPI for USD. So we have high impact on Tuesday, have high impact on Wednesday, high impact on Thursday, high impact on Friday. So it's a high impact week, just say for Monday. So I find that we're going to find moves, beautiful moves in the market, and I'm excited about it. So for the synthetics, all analysis have been done. So I'm just going to be waiting like volatility 25. It's been on a constant bullish move. I'll wait for price to give me a confirmation. Looks like it's going to correct bearish. Then volatility 50. Excuse me. Currently on a bullish or bearish liquidity side. So we're going to watch to see if it's going to retrace bearish. Then wait for the confirmation to get that in. Volatility 75. Volatility 75 is still on the up move, so I'm going to wait for it to get to the bearish liquidity side before I find the bearish entry. Volatility 100. Alright, so this one has corrected back. It's retracing bearish. So volatility 100 is probably coming to this point. So we're going to look out for that, for the void that needs to be filled up. So boom 500. Boom 500 is currently going bearish, and I do not trade boom going down. I only trade it spiking upward. So I'm going to wait for price to come at least up to this bullish liquidity side after the swipe of liquidity before I begin to find the bullish entries. And as for crash 500, so crash is crashing currently, so I wait for price to retrace a little bit and I find the crash entry. And then we have jump 25. Jump 25. Okay, so jump 25 looks like it's going bullish. I haven't gotten a confirmation from here. I'm going bullish to the upside bearish liquidity. And then jump 50. Okay, so jump 50. I haven't gotten a full confirmation. I'll be going bullish on jump 50 because I find massive void in the upside. And then jump 75. Okay, so jump 75 looks like there's going to be a swipe of liquidity, and once this bullish liquidity gives a confirmation, we're going to go massively bullish up to this upside bearish liquidity side. And finally jump 100, we are going to be going bullish for jump 100. Yeah, bullish. So that's the entry. So we're going to buy from this point. Okay, and we're going to go all through to this point. Okay, so this entry will be posted only on the VIP channel because the jump 100 is for only those on the VIP. Okay, so if you're not on the VIP, try and see how you can get on board. So for those on the free channel, only volatility 25 and volatility 50 will be posted. So this is jump 100. So if you're in, go in full time and up to that side for your take profit. Alright, so this is all we can take for the weekly analysis. Make sure you join me live tomorrow, 1 p.m. GMT plus 1 for a live trading session. See you by then.